Friday! Can you hear the song? I'll show you. Closer. Chainsmokers. I love Chainsmokers, by the way. Alright, we made it. Thank goodness it's Friday. Hello, YouTube. Okay, so today video is gonna be some sort of tutorial, and it's it's related to things that I do. It's gonna be like do it yourself visor, because it's almost summer and I wear a lot of visors. The reason I wear visor is mostly because I don't like to wear hats. I don't like anything in my head. Ugh. But I have like dermatitis and dandruff sometimes, so I think it's a good idea not to have a hot in your head, and you know. But okay, but this is a situation, this is a dilemma. The thing is, I go hiking, I expose myself to the sun, and to be true, the sun damages your skin very much. All the wrinkles you see here, see when I laugh, when I smile, is because of the sun. And so, but I hate wearing sunscreens, and I hate wearing hats. So I came up with this idea. I still need to protect my face from the sun, and from time to time, sometimes I wear sunscreen because my mom asked me to. And also because I noticed the damage the sun makes to my skin. And also I came up with this idea of wearing a visor instead of wearing a hat. The reason I like the visors is because it gets the job done, it covers your face, see, but it doesn't cover all your head, which is good because my scalp needs to breathe. So I'm gonna show you how to make a visor out of a normal cup. It's hard to find different colors and different designs of visors, so and it's a lot easier to find, you know, like regular cups, like baseball cups. So for that reason, I came up with this idea of making my own visors. Okay, so this is one original one. For this tutorial, you're gonna need only pencil to outline, and a pair of scissors, and needle and thread. And I have white because I'm gonna be doing a white one. And if you have any doubts about me wearing visors, check this out. I displayed it on my bed. Look, I got the black one, got the pink one, I got one pink as a print, I got the red one, and I even had this one, like it's for parties, you know. I ordered this in, I think it's Amazon, or I don't remember where I got this one from. But guess what? I got the basic, I got the black, but I don't have the white. Oh, by the way, I had this one, skin color, kind of like khaki. This one is, I love this one. This is actually original. This is original as well too. It's a visor. This one is not. This was a cup, a baseball cup, and I made it a visor. Same with this one, as you can tell. See? And yeah, so I bought at the dollar store, Chino store, Euro store, whatever you want to call it, whatever part of the world you are in. So I bought this one for €2.50, €2.50, and I'm gonna make a visor out of this because I don't want this part. I don't like this part, okay? I don't like I'm gonna cut it off. So this is what I do. I grab one original one, like it could be like this, see? And then you can outline here where you want to cut it. Let's do red because red is a good color. It is. Make it contrast. See? So this is what I do. What I did with the black one. I outline like a little mark here. You see it? Another mark here. And another one in the back. See? Then I have to join this dot here and then here, hold on 1 second. Oh no, hold on. It actually is here. It goes here, and then in the back up here. And usually don't, yeah, I will make a line out of this, but I will leave some space, so I'm gonna be cutting, actually cutting like more on the top to give some space for mistake, because if you, like, what if you don't like it the way it is, you know? So anyway, so that's what I do, and then I cut this, make a line out of it. I draw a line in here. I still kind of have an idea what is gonna go, and then grab your scissors like this, like so. Whoa. See how am I cutting this out? I'm out of focus. Okay, there. See what I'm doing this. Who is excited because it's Friday today? Any plans for the weekend? Tomorrow is Saturday. I have horse riding lessons on Saturday. So I'm excited to go and see the horses, to see the ponies. Okay, so ta-da! And I cut it like this, and then grab needle and thread and sew all around to make sure it looks nice and beautiful. And that's it. How do you like it? Well, this is gonna be a little bit shorter here because, but this is kind of like a raw product now at the moment. I show you. Check this out. Ta-da! When this was a cup, I never wore it. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get rid of this one. But boom, I came up with this idea. I was like, no. I will make a visor out of it. And this is it. See? And I hope you have a wonderful Saturday. I can't believe it's been a week of making videos in YouTube. I don't know how to edit still, but I will learn eventually. And yeah, so if you like this video, like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you on Monday. Have a wonderful weekend.